Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khatse Talent English School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to start in this session Unit 1 lesson poem part. The poem name is A House, a Home. So, dear students, you might have know that whenever you listen a house and a home, so definitely some little bit idea will come to your mind, right? So means what is the difference between home and house? But generally when you think home, house, both are same, just we will think such a way. But in literature way, it has the different meanings. So it has given first introduction for you. What is the difference between a house and home? Discuss it with your partner, then read the poem. So now you don't have any chance to meet with your partner. That's why what I am your the only partner that I am sharing with you, and you are sharing with WhatsApp. So leave it that. Now we are going to study the poem A House, a Home. The poet name is Lorraine M. Halley. You may look at your textbook. Got it? So I am reciting the poem. Listen carefully. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's apse and chimneys and tiles floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is home? It's love and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So here very interesting things it has given for you. First, it has explained to you what is house. So it has given, the poet told to us, it's means it is bricks and stone and wood that's hard. Means the house means which is built combinedly of stone, bricks, wood, cement, total etc. Water, combinedly built a house. Some window glasses. Perhaps, obviously, some members are making windows or glass windows, otherwise wooden windows, otherwise iron windows, iron rod windows. So different windows they are making. And perhaps a yard. It is even chimneys and tiles floor and stucco and roof and lots of doors. And what the house again, it has a roof. Different types of roof will be here, and some floors. Whose floors by some members marble, some members tiles. So different things we're using to make a house. In this type of things, when you form a figure, anything, so that is we called house. Where number of doors will be here, floor will be here, roof will be here, and number of doors, number of windows, which is required different type of things as just like cement, bricks, stones and water, etc. And different type of metals also required, just like glasses, iron rod and strong wood, hard woods. So which these all are used and make a house. In this way we can build house. Now we are going to understand what is home. What is a home? It's loving and family. It is loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mother. But here how the home is made? Home will be made by the family members, where loving, care, helps to each other, where father, mother, brother, sisters, they all are present. This is called family. And where they always sacrifice to others, they're doing work unselfishly. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? Suppose your father or mother, they're doing many hard works to earn money, and they are giving food for you, they are giving dresses for you. Are they hoping something from you? Are they hoping that I am giving different type of things to my son, the son must give money to me, or father or mother? Anybody thinking such a way? Nothing. That type of work is known as unselfishness work. Selfish means what? Who always think himself. Self. That is called selfishness. But in a family, anybody won't do such type of things. You are loving to your brothers. You are loving to your sisters. Unselfishly. Yes or not? That my sister will give something for me, that's why I am helping. Not like that. Or my brother will give something to me, that's why I am helping to him. It's not like that. That is hurtful things. And in this way, there is no any selfish things. That's why in a family, all the members doing the works for other, unselfishness. So the students, it is given and caring to each others, helping to each others in the home. Are you getting my point? What is the difference between house and home? House means the only infrastructure, doors, windows, floors, roofs, different things is this combined called house. But home, not like that. Home is combinedly means a father, a mother, a brother and a sisters. So they are combinedly we call as a home. So you may understand that difference means actually difference between the family, house and home. Are you getting my point? In this way, it has given some few questions back sides. I think you may answer easily for that. So do you agree with what the poet says? Talk to your partner and complete the sentence. First thing, a house is made of, definitely, a house is made of brick, stone, cement, clay, wood, etc. It has roof, it has floor, it has many windows and it has many doors. You can say anything. Next, a home is made by father, mother, brother, sisters, grandfather, grandmother, wherever made, who is combinedly staying one place. Are you getting my point? What I am saying? I hope you can understand this poem very properly and clearly, right? So in this way you can answer all the things, all the question answer, no problem. So this poem is very interesting. I hope you understand properly and you write the question and answer and immediately send to my personal number. Okay? Next session we are going to do the relations. So till then keep watching and bye bye.